Sure, here's a well-structured, engaging YouTube video script for a review of the Rafale Fighter Jet 2025. Without headings, the Rafale Fighter Jet 2025, France's next-generation multi-role marvel is here, and it's redefining air superiority. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what makes this aircraft one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. From its sleek aerodynamic design to its cutting-edge avionics. This beast is built for domination in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Let's talk about the design first. The 2025 model brings a refined, ultra-glossy white finish purely for the showroom edition, but under the hood, it's all about stealth, speed, and control. With its delta wing and canard configuration, the Rafale delivers exceptional maneuverability and stability at all speeds. It's a fighter that can adapt mid-air with incredible agility. Now, the cockpit. This is where things feel almost science fiction. The all-digital glass cockpit is fully modernized, with touchscreen interfaces, voice commands, and one of the most advanced heads-up displays in the industry. Pilots have complete situational awareness, allowing them to make split-second decisions with confidence. Let's get into the engine performance. The twin Snecma M88 engines provide more than just raw thrust. They offer increased fuel efficiency, lower maintenance, and improved stealth characteristics. The afterburners can push this jet to speeds over Mach 1.8, with an impressive climb rate and sustained performance at high altitudes. The Rafale 2025 comes equipped with an expanded suite of weapons integration missiles like the Meteor MICA, SCALP, and laser-guided bombs are fully supported. And yes, the AESA radar system has been upgraded for longer detection ranges, faster target tracking, and improved resistance to jamming. In terms of defense, it features the latest version of the Spectra electronic warfare suite. It not only detects and jams incoming threats, but can also deploy countermeasures automatically, making the Rafale one of the most survivable jets in contested airspace. The 2025 update includes enhanced connectivity as well-secured data links, advanced satellite communication, and AI-assisted threat recognition. This aircraft isn't just a jet, it's a flying command center. On the ground, the new Rafale's glossy white showroom model is a statement in itself. It's a symbol of both power and engineering excellence. While combat versions maintain their tactical coatings, this white-on-white luxury edition is designed for expos and elite showcases. Overall, the Rafale Fighter Jet 2025 isn't just an upgrades, a statement of how far tactical aviation has come. Whether you're a defense analyst, aviation enthusiast, or just someone fascinated by futuristic tech, the Rafale is a machine worth watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and inside looks at the world's most powerful machines. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like a version with dramatic voiceover pacing or background music cues.